Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform a phone setup on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to click on Start. Now you can connect to mobile network or you can click Skip. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can click Skip again and then click Continue. Now you have to click Accept and Continue. Here you can set date and time and then click Next. Now you have to scroll down and click Accept. Here you can set PIN or you can click Skip and then click Skip again. Now you can click Not Now and then click Not Now again. Here you can log in into your Motorola account or you can click Not Now and click Not Now again. Now you can choose your theme between light and dark and then click Next. Now you can choose navigation style between buttons and gestures and then click Next. And then click Done. And now your device is all set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.